What's good, family? Military then code coming at y'all with another video, man. Look, link in the description. Employthevets.com, man. Employthevets.com. Also, guys, look, we got a few days before the course drops, November the 1st. The keys to finding a career after the military course is dropping, guys. Look, this is the course that you guys need. You need this course. No ifs, ands, or buts, man. Invest in yourself. It's only going to be $50. If you guys order it right now, it's 25. But it's only going to be $50, man. Make that investment into yourself to build you a perfect resume, to get your LinkedIn profile set up, man. Networking, all that stuff. Much, 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 much more, man, in the course. But look, I just want to hop on here right quick, man, and kind of, you guys seen the title of the video. What's the easiest way to get started in the tech industry, man? So look, I got it up right now. I'm sharing my screen with you guys. Now, this right here is freecodecamp.org. Link also gonna be in the description, man. This is not an ad. This is not none of that. But I need you guys to go to freecodecamp.org. Freecodecamp.org, man. So you gotta sign in. Let's see, military code at Gmail. I'm smashing keys, guys. At Gmail. Let's get rid of this. Gmail. Right. Sign in code. Let's get this. Okay. Boom. So you guys are in there. Now, when you guys sign up and log in, man, this is going to be the first screen that comes up. So what I want for you guys to do is go in here, take a look at all the certifications that these guys, they offer. And all this stuff is free, man. It's all free for you. But I would suggest, like we were talking about in the past, guys, figure out which industry you want to go into. So if you want to go into web development, if you want to go into any type of programming, these are going to be the courses for you. Now, if you want to do IT, cybersecurity, then they have IT in there as well. I would suggest, since all you guys are still in the military right now, if you're still in, or if you're about to get out, I would suggest the responsive web design. Start right here from number one, responsive web design, man, because you guys can do so much with this. You can do so much with this, man. So if you go into here, read the whole disclaimer, all that good stuff, and it goes line by line, man. Each course, HTML, each one, CSS, visual design, accessibility, principles, CSS Flexbox, grid, projects, man. It's so much stuff in here, man, that you guys can do. And look, once you complete this, you guys can be building websites for clients, man. You can find freelance clients. You can do any of those type of things, man, while you guys are still in, and make some money off your abilities. And this is your entry into the tech industry. And then while you're making money from your abilities, man, you guys will be able to get out, show your project, show what you've already been doing while you're in. And then once you get out, it's that much easier, And for you guys that are nervous about, the web design and all that stuff, man, because I know it could be overwhelming for certain people, and I definitely would suggest, first, I want to say this. If you guys start with the web design and finish that, keep going through the tracks, learn JavaScript. Learn JavaScript. That's the programming language of the web. So every website you go to more than likely has some type of JavaScript, man. You clicking a button, it's JavaScript. You're moving around, the animations and all that stuff, mostly is JavaScript. So continue down. And now if you guys don't want to do any of those things, you got the information security, cybersecurity, helmet, which is a little bit of JavaScript. You got penetration testing. You got different projects, man. This is a lot more simple. Now, still is a bit of programming in here with Python and Helmet JS, which is JavaScript. But This is going to give you guys a very, 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 very brief overview and let you guys, into the world of information security and things like that. I actually think I might look at this and yeah, I might actually give this a go, man. Give this one a go because I already know Python and Helmet, so it shouldn't be too hard. And this is something that's very important because information security is everywhere. Do you guys always wonder why, they call your phone and random people call your phone or random people email you with offers and different things? That's because your information is online somewhere, man. These websites that you go to, they have code and different things embedded into them to collect your information. And or the software companies, man, they sell your information for, ads and different things like that as well. But back to the topic, man. If you guys want to get started in the tech industry while you're still in, or as soon as you get out, or any of that, man, go to freecodecamp.org. Freecodecamp.org, man. There's so much stuff on here, man. And all this stuff is free for you guys. It's all free. All the curriculums, different things, man. They have forums. It's not gonna let me show it. Let me see if I can pull it up in this tab for you guys. Let's see. Forums. A ton of stuff in there. Guys asking questions, project feedback, career advice. It's so much stuff in here, and all this stuff is free, guys. It's all free. This is the best thing for you. You guys go in here and get a chance to see all these different things, man, and get a chance to interact with all these different things. You guys have to do this. Have to do this. And then another thing, if you guys are getting started into the tech industry and you know for a fact that you want to go into web development and you want to start making some money on the side, it's another website I want for you guys to go to. And that's going to be codingphase.com. Look this up here. And this is codingphase.com. Now, again, this is not a sponsor or anything like that. I just really love these products and what they do. Now, this service here, this is going to be everything you guys need to start making money as developers, to really, really hone in on your skills as a developer, or, just in general, man. Look at the different tracks. It's content editor. This is stuff that you can do really quickly and will get you hired, man. Get you hired, get you start you off with a career, content editor, HTML, email developer, front end developer, back end developer, full stack, React, Shopify theme, Shopify apps, man, entrepreneur developers. So he offers so much on this website, man, that you guys have no idea. No idea. Now, like I said, this is a service and it is paid. But look, guys, you can't beat $20 a month. You can't beat $20 a month. $20 a month is going to get you access to all of these different things, man. Where you're going to be able to start, man, you make that $20 back so quick within that month. Let's just say you go into content editing or email developing, because let's be honest, coding an email is fairly simple, and majority of the emails that you guys receive today was coded by an email developer, or someone, content editor or something. So you guys need to go in here, man. Invest in yourself, guys. That's all it's about. You have to make that first initial investment into yourself, and then put that out into the community, and the community will help you out as well. That's what I say. But just to recap, guys, again, didn't want to make this video too long for you guys. I want you guys to stay engaged and stay, in there. But definitely freecodecamp.org is the first starting place. Go on freecodecamp.org, man. Go on here, go to their curriculum, and go course by course, course by course. This is the easiest way for free, guys, to get started in the tech industry. Most people are not even telling you about this, man. Most people are not even telling you guys about this. This is the easiest way for free to hone into some skills that's going to get you paid. When I say paid, man, I mean good money. At least $40, $50 an hour. At least, guys. And that's why I say now is the time to start, guys. You have to start now, because the longer that you wait, the longer that you BS around, do things, oh, wait till I get out to start and this and this and that. Life happens, guys. It happens to all of us. So we need to start now, and we need to take this very, very seriously, because this is the future. Tech, IT, anything dealing with computers and technology is the future. And the future is here now. So let's take advantage now, guys. Let's do all those things. Again, it's militarythencode, man, coming at y'all with another video. The easiest way to get started in the tech industry is freecodecamp.org. Freecodecamp.org, man. You guys got to get to freecodecamp.org. You got to get these sections completed, man. Go in there, complete these sections. I think I'm going to be doing this in a minute, for real, with information security, because I really like that one. So, might be one of my next videos. But again, guys, Military Then Code coming at y'all with another video, man. I just want to say, guys, continue to be humble, continue, to help others, and just continue to do what you guys do, man. But invest in yourself, invest in your future. Again, employthevets.com. Link in the description, and also the link to the courses in the description, guys. You only have a couple more days. If you guys are watching this in the future, you only have until November the 1st. And if it's past November the 1st, 2021, and you guys are watching this, the course is going to be $50, which isn't bad at all. I'm going to keep it at that price. And if you guys want to be affiliates to the course, if you made it to the end of this video, then I'll put a link in the description for you guys to be an affiliate as well. And what that means is you guys will get 50% of every sale of the course when someone buys through your link. It's simple, man. You guys can make money without even really doing much. You give a link to someone, they sign up using your link, you get half of the sale. So that's why I said, guys, investing into yourself. I'm here to help you guys. So I got out and got all these things together, and I had to figure all this out on my own. So I don't want you guys to do that, man. I want to give you guys a step-by-step and the easiest path to success, man, because we don't have any more time to waste. There's no more time to waste, guys. No more time to play. So again, Military Then Code, man. Appreciate y'all for stopping by the channel, checking out the video, staying for the whole video. Links in the description, man. Look, I'll talk to you guys later, man. Have a great one. Bye.